Hello students, as this question says, we have set A is equals to x such that x belongs to n, that is natural number, and GCD of x comma 36 is equals to 1, where GCD is greatest common divisor and x should be less than 36. Similarly, the set B is given here, which is equals to y such that y belongs to n, that is natural number, and GCD of y comma 40 is equals to 1 and y should be less than 40. Match the entries of column 1 with the correct entries of column 2. So first we have to find set A and set B, and the entries of set A will be x comma 36, means GCD of x comma 36 is equals to 1. So 36 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, right? So the entries of set A, the elements of set A will be the number which are not divided by 2 or 3, because if it is divisible by 2 or 3, then our GCD will not be equal to 1. So we will take all those numbers which are not divisible by 2 and 3, and it should be less than 36. So which are the number? 1, we can take 1, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, then we can take 25, 29, 31 and 35. So these are the elements of set A. So how many elements we have here? Number of elements of set A is equals to 12. Now let's move to find set B. So set B is equals to y such that y comma 40 is equals to 1, means GCD of y comma 40 should be equal to 1 and it should be less than 40. So 40 can be written as 2 cube into 5, right? Means we have to take the number which are not divisible by 2 and 5. So what are those numbers? 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, then 17, 19, 21, 23, then 27, 29, 31, 33, 37 and 39. So how many elements we have? So number of elements in set B is equals to 16. Now we can find all these. So the first part says we need to find number of elements in A intersection B. So let's find first A intersection B, means all the elements which are common in both A and B. So what are those elements? 1 is common, then 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, then 31. These are the numbers. So number of elements in set A intersection B is equals to 9. Total we have 9 elements. So first matches with Q. Okay. Now B part. We need to find another set, that is C, which is equals to X such that X belongs to A union B. A union B means all the elements which are in A or B, and X should be prime. Then number of elements of set C. So first let's find set C. So set C is equals to 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31 and 37. So number of elements in set C is equals to 11. So B matches with S. This was Q, matches with S. Now coming to the next C part. So this is our set A, this is our set B. Now C part, we need to find number of elements in A delta B, that is A symmetric difference with B. So A delta B, this is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. So number of elements of A symmetric difference with B is equals to number of elements in A union B minus number of elements in A intersection B. A union B, number of elements in A union B. This is equals to number of elements in set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of set A intersection B, and here minus number of elements of A intersection B. Now we know the value of number of elements in A and number of elements of B. So here we have 12 plus 16 and we have minus 9 and minus 9, which is equals to 10. So C matches with P. Okay. Now coming to the last part, D. Here we need to find number of elements in A minus B into number of elements in B minus A. So A minus B. First let's find A minus B, means all those elements which are in A but not in B. So what are those numbers? We have 5, we have 25, we have 35. How many elements we have? We have 3 elements. Now next, B minus A means elements which are in B but not in A. So we have 3, 9, 21, 27, 33, 37 and 39. So total elements in B minus A is equals to 7, and we need to find number of elements in A minus B into number of elements in B minus A, which is equals to 3 into 7 equals 21. So D matches with R. So QSPR is the correct matching. Let's verify. Yes, QSPR is the correct matching. Thank you.